Ladies and gentlemen.
See how to download it. So to download it, what you have to do is you have to go onto the Google and search for the Tableau desktop download. So once you will tap on that, you will get this website, which is www.tableau.com. Once you are here, make sure you are going to download this once you are available for next 14 days, because this is only 14 days trial. Now you have to enter some basic details like company size, department, and the role that you are looking for, or maybe you are working on. Just a random details you can enter. Then enter your phone number or any random phone number, and then this download free trial button will come up for you, and then you have to tap on it and it will start out. So downloading, we have already done that. So what you have to do is you have to go to the downloaded file, double tap on that, and it will ask you for yes and no. You have to tap yes, and then you have to check this box and then move on to the install button. And once you will tap on that install button, it will start the installation for you. Basically, this is a Tableau desktop which is going to download one complete product for you, where you are going to create graphs and dashboards. So let it get complete. Once the progress is done, then it will launch that Tableau desktop for you. And once that is launched, you have to fill a short form, and on the basis of that short form only, you will activate your 14 days trial. Once your 14 days trial is activated, then only you can proceed with the dashboard creation or database integration. So as I have already told you that there are multiple ways to do that. You can connect it to any database. So you have to install it first. Once it is installed, then go and search for the Tableau that is being installed on your system. You have to tap on the button called start trial now, and once you will tap on it, you have to go when you will be on the registration page, you have to enter the Gmail ID that you wanted to use for connecting it to the Tableau public or the online version, we can say. So you have to enter your email ID, and once you will enter your email ID, it will register you with that email ID. And once this is registered completely, you will be on this page where you can see this particular interface where you have connect option to the server, saved databases, and so on. So you can connect to any database. You have a button called more as well, using which you can do that. You can check out the file one where you can create the repository location, where it is being stored, what is the server. You can sign in. And once you will sign in, you can also connect it to the Tableau public as well. So this is a different product of the Tableau, which is Tableau public, Tableau desktop, but you can convert the language, you can change the languages as well. So if you wanted to change the language, you can go to the choose language button, and using which you can change the language of the entire Tableau, because Tableau is available in multiple languages. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.